Do you ever wonder why you can find things easily on some websites but then get lost on others? Well, the answer might be explained by the website's information architecture. It's like a behind-the-scenes blueprint that organizes a website or an app in a way that makes sense to us as the users. Information architecture, or IA as we call it, isn't a new concept. It dates back to ancient times when librarians organized scrolls in libraries. The idea behind it was simple: keep things organized so people can access them easily. In 1998, a book called Information Architecture for the World Wide Web gained massive popularity and highlighted IA's importance in the digital age. Want to try it? Start by planning out categories for your content. Think about labels to use, what pages or sections should exist, and how they should relate to each other. Designing navigation is another important part of IA, and that's determining how your users are going to move from one part of the product to the other. And don't forget feedback loops. Let users know they're on the right track with clear signs and responses. By addressing your IA early on, like when you're planning out your website's design, you'll be able to improve UX, minimize confusion, and ensure overall success.